The little that you have done will have an inheritance. The little that you have done to Jesus in action, in works, surrounding, taking care, everything else. There is a general inheritance in terms of what will participate, be in the kingdom of God with resurrected bodies and forever young. All tears wiped out. No wars. No killing of children. Bombing people. No hatred between religions. It's a different world. So that's that general inheritance we'll have. But then we'll also have the personal inheritance. I don't know what's my inheritance in the kingdom, but I can be assured the little that I have done will be rewarded. The little that you have done, you may do much, will have an inheritance. The little that you have done to Jesus. Are you with me? To Jesus. In action, in works, surrounding and taking care and everything else. Reaching out. This aspect of the judgment, remember, has no reference to preaching. Oh, come on my right side because you have done great preaching. No. It's what we have done to cater and minister to other humans. Wherever God has placed us,